Here at the ELC, we organize many activities and trips for our students. They get to experience a real college town, learn about American culture and local history, eat traditional American food, and create lasting memories. We are really lucky to be near the capital city of Michigan. Students can tour the historical Capitol building, learn about Michigan government, and even see the Congress in session. When students first arrive to Michigan, they're surprised by all the natural beauty right here in Michigan and on campus. A few times during the year, as a group, we visit Lake Michigan, one of the 5 Great Lakes. We relax at the beach and then take an exciting and fun dune buggy ride where students learn about lake ecology and take a breathtaking picture at the top of the pristine sand dunes. Students love studying at MSU, but they sometimes hanker for the big lights of busy cities. So having Chicago just 3.5 hours away is great. Students can go on their own by train or join us on an organized weekend trip. Although there are countless activities to do in Chicago, we always suggest a ferry boat tour that shows all the cool architecture of the city, Millennium Park, and the many museums. If you're lucky enough to have 2 days in Chicago, then shopping would be in order and a trip up to either the John Hancock or the Willis Tower Observatory. Lastly, you can't leave Chicago without a Chicago hot dog or some great deep dish pizza. Fun, fun, fun. Speaking of fun, there's more. We also like to arrange trips to Cedar Point, an amusement park with one of the largest and tallest roller coasters in the world. There are 150 rides in that park, including 17 roller coasters. There's also shows, restaurants, games, concerts, and a water park. Students really enjoy visiting the park.
It was so fun day, and we enjoyed every single ride, and some of them were crazy, but we're having a good time here. The fastest one, I think it's called the Dragster. Dragster was the fastest one. We like it so much. It was so crazy to try it first time, but it's so good. If everybody want to try it, you gotta go to it.
Sometimes, even more thrilling for students are the great discounts they find on name brand goods at the outlet malls, so we also visit a couple of them in the area. One in particular, Birch Run, has over 145 different stores like Nike, Adidas, Columbia, Coach, North Face, and Nine West. And if you want a quiet afternoon, you can join us for a traditional American picnic on Lake Lansing, which is on our bus line and just a short ride from campus. Students can swim, enjoy barbecued hot dogs, play games, and even take a boat ride. Back on campus, there's a lot to do as well, and no college experience is complete without a football game. The MSU Spartans are known for many things, and if you love football and basketball, you're going to love being a Spartan. In addition to watching all of the sports teams, there's also a lot of places on campus where students can enjoy themselves, like our beautiful golf course, soccer fields, tennis courts, swimming pools, and numerous gardens. And if that's not enough, the ELC also hosts a number of other fun cultural activities like pumpkin carving for Halloween and apple picking during the fall. There are really so many different ways to learn English and learn about American culture, and we would love to show you what Michigan and East Lansing has to offer.